Meet Nick. He's an aspiring entrepreneur. He would love to start his own business, but like most of the 50 million aspiring entrepreneurs in the US, he just doesn't know what business to start. Even if he had an ideal concept, he lacks knowledge in starting a business and connections to professionals that can help him get started. Oh, and one more thing. He also lacks the capital needed to start a business. Sound familiar? How many people do you know like Nick? Introducing Noors.com, a company built by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. Here's how it works. After signing up and completing a simple questionnaire, Nick received an email with his top personalized business idea, franchise, and social marketing concept that best matched his core values, interests, and skill sets. He really liked one of the business concepts the most, but wanted to see what other opportunities he was compatible with. He was able to do that by searching for his other highest-rated business suggestions on the site. He quickly found the business of his dreams, a business he didn't even know existed. Nick was ready to begin, but felt he lacked sufficient knowledge to be successful, so he quickly enrolled in the Noors University. These university-quality online courses taught Nick everything he needed to know, from incorporating his business, marketing, accounting, and contracts, to leasing a location, and so much more. Nick also wanted to receive more detailed information, so he chose to attend several educational webinars hosted by our approved providers in the Noors community. Then, through the use of our Connections platform, Nick was able to post a few requests and connect with people who could help him start his business, including a couple of lenders, and even an investor that showed interest in providing Nick the capital needed to get his business idea off the ground. The best part about all of this was that Nick only needed $99 to get started with Noors, and by just referring a couple of friends to this amazing service, his membership was basically free in future months. Now, Nick is on his way to achieving his dreams of becoming an entrepreneur, and it was all possible because he joined Noors. Let's get you started on the road to entrepreneurship. Click on the sign up button below and get started today.